Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Kinah here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the January 2022 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Ooh La La. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the folder, which I'm loving, and I think I'm going to chop it up and use it as a dashboard because it's so cute. Here. Okay, so I'm going to try to find a kit card, which I don't see one. There's no kit card. Alright, so I'm just going to start with what's on top, which is the washi. Let's get a knife here. I'm trying not to kill myself today. So we got two rolls of washi. One is a 15mm. The other looks like a 7. Could be a 5, but it looks more like a 7 to me. Okay, so this one is, oh my goodness, stunning. Y'all, the florals, the rose gold, these muted tones are utterly stunning, y'all. I love this. This is one of those washis I'm gonna have to grab an additional roll, an extra roll for when extras become available. As of right now, the date has not been set, so I don't have nothing to tell y'all. But y'all, look at this. This rose gold is so pretty, honey. So these are our 2 rolls of washi this month. Next, let's, y'all, not having a kit card to go through in the order is so adventurous for me. So we got some die cuts. Let's see. It says bits and pieces, but it looks like the ephemera pack that we got for the November Duchess box. Y'all, I love these little vellum pieces. They are so cute. Oh, look at that. This is interesting. Bits and pieces is right. Y'all, and these even printed on vellum. They are super bold. So then we've got some cardstock pieces. A little ticket. So this is our bits and pieces set. I like this. Look at VillaBeauTIFFul out here slowly turning me into a scrapbooker, journaler. Y'all, look at that one. That's so cute. You gotta love ticket. Section 2. Which reminds me, my show Snowpiercer is coming back on. Did any of y'all watch Snowpiercer? I love it. Mr. David. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get back on track. So these are the bits and pieces in this month's kit. Hopefully I can keep the bits and pieces together. Let's put that back in the envelope and nobody gets hurt. Are these adhesive? No, they are not. They are not. So you'll have to use double-sided tape on them if you want to lay them down somewhere. That's good to know. Alright, next item. Y'all, look at this wristlet. This little keychain is hella cute. Oh my goodness, the pink is everything. Pink just always goes, pink with rose gold just does something to me. So we have the vegan leather wristlet. Let me turn it around. It does have the VB logo there. And then we have another, oh, this detaches. Cute. Another little keychain. It says love pretty pens. VB logo on the back. I like it. I like it a lot. This is cute, y'all. So this is the logo, the keychain wristlet. Next we have this notepad. Let's get that open. Mine always does that. That sucks. Okay, so it's not a sticky notepad. It is a tear off, and we have this side for to do with a section for the date and notes, and we've got this little abstract artwork here. Plenty of pages for you. This is the notepad. Next, let's jump into this. We got another little pen cozy this month. And everything is in this bright, pretty pink, and it is stunning. My Pretty Pens. Same vegan leather. VB logo on the back. As you can see, it's fairly pliable. So it's not super stiff. And I believe you could get 2 pens in here. You should be able to get 2 pens in here. So here's our pen cozy. Y'all, let's jump into the sticker book, because y'all know, besides the pen, this is my favorite part of a VB kit. So we have the January 2022 Ooh La La sticker book. Ooh, I believe, yes, this is 10 pages, and this is in the refreshed layout. So let's take a look at the new setup. We still have our full boxes. Oh, that's new. So we've got some circles up here, some half circles. We've got some quarter boxes, and then we have icons, but they're not as many, and it allows for more room for other things. Then we've got some more full boxes, things to do, checklist, check it off. That's so pretty. And then this one says notes, ideas, and goals, little reminder. Then we've got some half boxes and some more quarter boxes in different shapes. Then we've got our headers. Today, appointment priority notes. These are new. We've got these scalloped headers here, these oval headers here. We still have our double box headers. Pretty, pretty. I love the font, this script font up here. Okay. We've got some more habit trackers. We've got washi. So we still kept the mini component of the sticker book, which I love, because now I could probably get several spreads out of this sticker book for all of my planners. So we've got 2 date covers here. We've got some mini checklists down here and some mini flags. We've got 2 double boxes here, some pay bill stickers, more flags, some hexagons. They're smaller than they were. And then, oh, this is clear. So these are clear functional stickers. We've got some banners, some circles, some hearts, water reminders, and these are just plain bar stickers. And our deco, I was a little concerned, y'all. So we still kept pens. If you are a long time purchaser, subscriber to VillaBeauTIFFul, we used to get a separate sheet, a separate mini deco sheet, and it would have the pen of the month on it. So for those people that, you know, like to track that stuff. And then for a while we didn't get it anymore because the mini sheets were canceled, I guess, taken away. They're gone. We got them back. So these are clear as well. I like that. And then we've got another sheet of deco. I love it. Do all things with love. Love notes. Love is the answer. Whatever the question, all you need is love. Plan a life you love. I love this, y'all. Love it. All right. So that is the Ooh La La sticker book. All right, y'all. Let's get into this pen. Ooh La La is right. Let's see if we can get in without me breaking a doggone nail. Okay. So this is our pen of the month. It is called Ooh La La after the box. We have the glossy black matte paint, rose gold hardware, and then the crystals are a mix of blush hearts, blush iridescent hearts, and then there's blush and champagne colored crystals in there. Super pretty. Let's see how close we can get. Come on. It just has to be difficult, y'all. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Black gel ink. You can get blue gel ink refills on the website. I believe they're still in stock, but she usually restocks them pretty often. So here's our pen of the month, Ooh La La. Every pen you purchase from VillaBeauTIFFul will come with a free refill. And last but not least, y'all, we got another little pouch. I love these little clear pouches. I have all of them. The black one, the tan one. I have them all. And now we can add this pink one to our collection. So it has a D-ring here. You could use your new keychain wristlet. Open this bad boy up. Plenty of space, y'all. You could probably get everything in this month's kit except for the sticker book into this pouch. So super cute. Rose gold hardware, rose gold logo. This is the plastic pouch. Alright, y'all, so here is the January 2022 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Ooh La La. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!